Hi, in this lecture I'm gonna talk about tags. So what is a tag? Well, basically a tag is a word or a phrase that describes a specific post on your blog or your site. In this case, a post can actually have several tags in order to allow the users to find similar content. If you recall, in the previous lecture, we discussed the categories and I told you that a post should belong to only one category, but not more than two categories. So tags are completely the opposite. And why do you need tags besides to make it easier for the visitors to find the relevant content? Well, the tags are really great for SEO or search engine optimization. This is called on-page SEO, just for the record. But how can this actually help you rank higher in the search engine results? Well, let's get back to the image I showed you in the previous lecture. So I'm gonna just bring up the image again. So here's the image that you saw in the previous lecture. In this case, if you pay attention, I have LED listed in all the three categories. So under Sony I have LED, under Philips I have LED, and under Samsung I have LED. So imagine that you create three posts, one on a specific model for Sony, one on a model for Philips, and one on a model for Samsung. All those three models have different features, but there is one feature that they have in common, which is LED. So if you assign the tag LED to all of these three posts, they are going to appear on the same page once the user search for them on your site. They are also going to additionally help you rank in search engines, for example for the phrase LED models, which is actually a quietly competitive phrase, but you get the idea. Because search engines are actually going to learn that both Sony and Samsung are available as LED models and that those two are correlated to each other on your website. So let's check out how you can create tags in WordPress, which is actually pretty simple. You do this under posts, just like with the categories. So if you click on tags, you will see that I have already created three tags. So we can create a fourth tag for the sake of it. I will just use the tag goalkeeper and goalkeeper a slug as well. And I'm just gonna click add new tag. And the tag is gonna appear here. You can also create tags within the posts, just as you can do with categories. So I'm gonna just go to all posts and then edit the posts that we played around in the previous lecture. I'm just gonna go back to show you. You can see that this post is already attached to three tags: football, play, and soccer. Alright, let's go to the post again. And down here we can actually add as many tags as we want. However, I would like to keep it to about 5 to 10 tags, because that's more than enough. So if I type in goalie, which is a synonym for goalkeeper in soccer, and click on add, you will see that the post automatically gets attached to the tag goalie. Now I'm sure you're wondering about the goalkeeper tag we created in the tags section. The thing is that this tag is not going to be visible until we use it for one of our posts. So you see that there is a link here, choose from the most used tags. So if I click on this one, you'll see that it states no tags found. This because we have not assigned the goalkeeper tag to any other posts. And the reason why you are not seeing the football, play, and soccer tags is because they are already attached to the post. So this is basically how you create tags and why you should use them frequently in WordPress. Now let's move to the next lecture, which is going to be about excerpts. Excerpts are really important in WordPress and you're gonna learn why in just a few minutes, so stay tuned.